All right, here we go. So I'm looking at my stream and I'm like, yeah, I guess it's cool. I could sit here and do my show and I could play right here. Let's see if I turn this on. Let's turn this on. Hey, let's turn this on. Let's turn this on. And I got to stand up now. What's gonna? One, two, three. Oh. Okay. I don't. The light is well lit. Yeah, it's well lit. What's going on over here? Yeah. Ignore. And let's. If I play that there, let's do this. Open up. What do you call that again? Oh. Mm-hmm. 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 Now, if I say, so doing this, I can do this. Right on. So, mm-hmm. All right. So, put this there. Turn this on.
Turn up your radio! It's right!
All right. Wait a minute. Why am I not hearing anything over there? Why am I not hearing this? Is there a plug-in?
Turn up your radio!
It's not playing. Why? So that's not playing. Did I have it on mute? That'd be audio check 1 2.
Turn up your radio! It's right!
It's going through. But that's not. Yeah, whatever. I'm not hearing it. Why am I not hearing? Where's my headphone? Where is my headphone? Here's my headphone. Audio check. That's not coming in. The voice is not coming. Audio check. Audio check. Audio. Yeah, let's see if that comes on. Because now this is not. So now this should come through.
Turn up your radio!
Oh, let's not play this goddamn roadblock thing right now. What else do we have in here? We have wicked like me boss smarty. Dirty.
Tonyculture time.
All right, that's in the song. No, that's not. And then we'll go over more. Damn, is that the only thing I have in there? The what? I need to put some more samples in here. Back to this.
Smarty, go tell them they no wicked like me say somebody. Tell them they no rough like me
boss smarty.
Tell them they no wicked like me boss smarty. Go tell them they no wicked like me say somebody. Tell them they no rough like me boss smarty. Tell them they no wicked like me boss smarty. Go tell them they no wicked like me say somebody. Tell them they no rough like me boss smarty. Tell them they no wicked like me boss smarty. Go tell them they no wicked like me say somebody. Tell them they no rough like me boss smarty. Tell them they no wicked like me boss smarty. Go tell them they no wicked like me boss smarty. Tell them they no rough like me boss smarty. Tell them they no wicked like me boss smarty.
Bongo cat, that one the dirty. Yeah, that one the dirty. Keep it on. All right, so I'm actually just trying my stream on this computer here. I haven't gone live on it in a long time. Apparently, it still works. Why wouldn't it? I don't know how the audio sounds like. I hear humming on this mix. I have a what's it? Mackie Pro FX 13 or 12. One of them things. I don't know which one it is, but that's. Now, I wanted to play something from up here. Let's see what can I play from up here. Let's see 80s music. Sexual healing. Why would I have that up there? Let's see. It's gonna play.
Oh, baby, now let's get down tonight.
I just like your loving. I need some loving. Baby.
Do I have in my remix some episodes? Then Lucy's. What is this? Sanchez.
Well, it's all about love. There's so many things I've got to tell you.
Okay. Let's see what this Frankie Paul. Frankie Paul. Where's that? Right. And that. No, that's not working out. Maybe it's not there. No, it's there.
Show me that you love me, and I will do anything for you. Yeah. Don't you know I promise? Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow, ow.
Tell them say me name tonyculture. Don't tennis a go on. Hey. I
sing it to you time and time again.
Too serious. Come in, Frankie.
And I don't wanna let you down.
Hey, yo.
I love you, baby.
But you always out there looking up, man.
So let me love you.
Oh, yeah.
Let me love you.
Ah.
I ain't much on Casanova.
Music up your strength. So, you know, say, me up on Roadblock with Monday evenings, 10 o'clock until 12 midnight. See? I don't know if I would turn on a video. I don't know about turning on the video when I'm on tomorrow night. I want to, but I feel kind of intruded upon with the video thing. You know what I mean? But the whole of me a show. The whole of me a show. You know? Hey. All right. Pull up.
I ain't much on Casanova.
And I tell it to you time and time again.
I ain't much too serious. And I don't wanna let you down.
I love.
I love you, baby.
And I don't wanna.
Don't you know I wanna be your man? So let me love you. Hear you whispering into my ears now, baby. Let me love you. Feel your warm body close to me now, baby. Oh, yeah. I ain't much on Casanova. Me and Romeo and Helen and friends. Can't you see how much I really love you? And I sing it to you time and time again. Oh, Casanova.
But it won't work. I don't know why it won't work. It will not work. It will not work. I love so that when I go. Frankie PC on me.
Babylon, I go feel it.
Gunshot a burst. It is a blessing or a curse. Doesn't it? Is it a blessing or a curse? Michael Farmer.
Gosh, look how long we've been down here in the tribal war and slavery. Long time we got to fight, oh right, oh gosh.
Fire day ya must steal him think a cool breeze, yeah.
Fire day I must steal him think a cool breeze, yeah.
Must not know. All right.
The first time that I saw you, you got me going. Oh yeah. But now I realize that you never know. I think I love you from head to toe. Ow. Down, pretty ladies. Oh, down, pretty gay. Got a date just to show you all you boys and girls.
Lego.
Yeah.
I don't want some to play. What are they? Another one to play. What are they? No, another one. Thing. I totally screwed that up. I think I listen to play. I try to find a tune for everything there. I did.
Now the great thing, we must kill them with it. I don't know the front.
Yeah. Have mercy. We come to kill them with it. We come to kill them with it. Kill them with it. We come to kill them with it. Oh God. Kill them with it. We come to kill them with it. Kill them with it. We come to kill them with it. Kill them with it. If a boy can't take it, better run from me. Follow me now. Run from it. Kill them with it. We go kill them with it. Everything that's up with it, you know me physically fit. Yet this and yet this, wrong we go kill them with it. If a guy can't take it, better run from me. Follow me now. Kill them with it. We go kill them with it. If you make your heart. She said 87. That's 87. You saw the song full of vibes, and it's 87 music. 87. Yo, nothing is.
Well, you know, see me and the NFAP, man. So we're going to just give them one more and them money go along. You understand?
Yeah. You understand?
Hey.
NFAP, man. Me and the NFAP, man. Honestly, don't know what the frig he said. NFAP, man.
NFAP, man. Me and the NFAP, man.
NFAT, man. NFAT.
The money go along. no happy mind. No game man, no happy mind. No game man, American Lord. X-rated country, American Lord. X-rated country. Say in a man on your 42nd Street. Game man, no happy mind. All right. No game man, American Lord. X-rated country, American Lord. X-rated country. Say in a man on your 42nd Street. Game man, I walk and I kiss up on the street. Hey, draw big stone, figure lick out one teeth. My girlfriend call me Bailey boy. Don't do it. This a gay man country. Left them, make them do it. Me no, say gay man no they at Jamaica. But they can't mag up and with on the corner. Who will lick them down and make them left the area. Say one Sunday in the boiling sun. Me see two gay man and me start run them down. But me never know the gay man them have gun. One have a 9, one have a Magnum. One shot out of the gun. Everybody start run. They fire them shot until them shot it done. And when them shot done, man, me start lick them down. Every lick me lick the man. The word from me tongue. Boof. See girl, one go do your thing. Boof. See me only, one go game grass. You not like right mule, but you want right. Us. No happy mind. Yeah. No game. Yeah, them true that dirty. Them true that dirty. Straight up, nah lie. It is fresh. Fresh. About to they keep dirtiness away. Fresh. Dirty body. Fresh. Hey, why don't you take up a rag and take up a soap and go and go all fresh. Take up a rag and take up a soap and go and go all fresh. If I ready fresh, super cool and fresh. Take up a rag and take up a soap and go and go all fresh. From your super cool and run you super fresh. Anyone will accept you as a special guest. No, he and she will do that at a special request. If you live in a country, you run go to the river. You live in the town of Stone and you can get off your show. Only one shabba. Yes, you can. One shabba. A man no want a woman if she feel the water. A woman no want a man if she feel the water. You know, say take up a rag and take up a soup and go and go all fresh. Why you say that, yo? Yo. A what? Bye bye bye. Bye bye bye. Bye bye bye. Come follow me now. Lord, bum diddly 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 diddly. But wait, is all that boy George? Ease off, no witchcraft. Don't make me laugh. Watch it. We said Dominic, favor boy Georgia. 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 Come on, look how me neat, look how me slick. Me no fuck, me no use lipstick. Me no wine pum man, me no kiss. AIDS is a disease, me no one catch it. Come follow me. We said Dominic, favor boy Georgia. We said Dominic, favor boy Georgia. Four season lover. I'm a four season lover. So no, you should never give your love away. No, you should never give your love away. No, you should never give your love away. No, you should never give your love away when the winter comes around and there's nobody there to keep you warm. Call me on your phone line. Okay, I time for me to listen to this and see how this thing sounds. I want to check the quality. I gotta go stop it and check the quality. And before I do, let me play this one now. Hey, blue, na. Hey, Lila Ike. I represent for tonyculture. Hey, Tony, play good music till we rock to the beat. Tony, play good music till we move up with feet. And him play good music, what the vibes so nice. Tony, play good music till we enjoy we life. All right, Lila, give thanks to the tune, Lila Ike. All right, that's it. Let me go check it now. Stop it. Bless up. Your stream will be stopped immediately and you will no longer be live. Okay, cool.